Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and are using Google Chat, then just a quick video to let you know about a couple of changes and improvements that have rolled out over the last couple of days. Now, the first one, in case you're unaware, is we now have a compact mode. So if we head to our settings in the top right and scroll down in the menu, here you'll see there's a new density. We've got comfortable, which is the default, and compact. And if we pop that compact toggle on, we can see, as the name implies, everything gets a little bit more compact. So you get a little bit more screen real estate. And then obviously you can just pop that back to how it was originally by using the default comfortable option. And there we go. So I think that's a nice little improvement. Now, over and above that, Google has also announced a couple of changes and improvements over the last couple of days. And they are highly requested features according to Google from their Workspace Updates blog post. And the first is that you can now add multiple multimedia files to a single message in Google Chat. Now, as you may well know, currently you can send and share files such as images, PDFs, and videos in Google Chat messages and use the Shared tab to access all conversation-related artifacts, including files, links, and media. But only one image can be uploaded in a single chat message on web at a time. So this is where the change is coming. So to improve upon this, Google has provided a highly requested feature, as mentioned, and this is to match the so-called mobile experience, as they're calling it, where you can now upload and send up to 20 multimedia files, that's photos and videos, in one chat message, and dragging and dropping multimedia files into the compose bar from the desktop is also supported. So I think that's a nice move if you are sending a lot of files and want to send a lot of files in Google Chat. And the rollout pace for this feature, it started a couple of days ago on the 19th. So I would suggest, if you're not seeing it at this stage, it will be finished by the middle of December for this feature, where you can add multiple multimedia files to a single message in Google Chat. Now, according to another Workspace blog post update, there are a couple of things going on where Google has announced that you can now organize chat conversations into custom sections. And this is also a highly requested feature. Now, custom sections are useful, they say, for scenarios in which users want similar conversations about a topic or project to be in the same location in the left-hand menu of chat. So basically, to make this all happen, what you would do is you would then go to your custom section, go to direct messages or spaces section in chat, hover over the three-dot menu, select create new section, name the custom section, hit enter, and you can also add conversations from a direct message, as we've seen in this example provided. So you can add conversations from a direct message or space to a custom section by dragging and dropping it from another section, or hovering over a conversation, as we can see now in this example provided. Click in the three-dot menu, selecting move conversation, and then move to name of the custom section. There we go, as we can see in that example provided. And then something else they've also announced is that previously the direct messages and spaces sections in the left-hand menu were independent, individually scrollable lists. Now, with this update, you can also navigate, as we can see, you can also navigate specific sections of your conversations by scrolling across all of your sections as one unified conversation list. You can view top conversations across each section and find older conversations within each section by expanding via show all, as we can see in this example provided. And then another little improvement they're rolling out, if we head to another image provided, just to give us a general idea. And then for each section, you can also modify the size, height of each section. You can reorder a section in the left-hand menu based on preference by moving it up or down. You can toggle an unread button on or off to instantly find new messages within each section that need your attention. And then you can also start a new direct message or space message from the three-dot menu next to the unread toggle. So quite a lot going on with this update. And then the last one, just to mention for this video, is that Google says, over and above all of this, You will now be able to find your chat apps more quickly with a new dedicated apps section here at the bottom, which is highlighted in the red rectangle. So I think that's actually a nice move in the right direction. And according to Google, the rollout pace for these features, it started a couple of days ago on the 21st of November, and I would say that by the middle to the 20th of January next year, the rollout should have completed. And the good news is that the availability is to all Google Workspace customers, Workspace individual subscribers. And once again, if you're like me and are a personal Google account user, it's also rolling out to personal Google accounts. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.